Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Crescent Inn. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Dot. Laundry facilities and a 24-hour reception are featured at this motel. Rooms include free Wi-Fi and Los Angeles International Airport is 20 minutes drive away. A flat-screen cable TV with satellite channels is available in all rooms at the Crescent Inn. A microwave and small refrigerator are also included. Guests can also benefit from on-site laundry and a vending machine. Long Beach Cruise Center is 15 minutes drive from the Crescent Inn Los Angeles. The Queen Mary is 15 minutes drive away. California State University Long Beach is 6 miles from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.